Hey guys, thanks for tuning into the channel today. I just wanted to kind of come on here and give you guys some ideas of some affordable laser engraving options. So many times you go online and see these mega laser engravers that cost thousands upon thousands of dollars that put out a lot of product. But now I'm just wanting to kind of speak to the amateur a little bit and show you some different ideas of laser engravers that would probably work for you. I wanted to show you my laser engraving setup. As you can see, I'm set up here in my garage. And every time that I use my laser engraver, I just open the garage door, and that gives me all the filtration and aeration that I need to do my laser engraving so it doesn't, get into any other rooms around the house. I'm going to give you a quick tour of my laser engraver and some different ways that you can laser engrave for less than $1,000 and make some pretty great material. So here's my engraver. It's an xTool D1 Pro 10-watt laser. I bought it all as a kit, and then I later bought this air assist that helps make for a cleaner final product. This board right here I bought at Lowe's Hardware, and it didn't cost me 15 or 20 bucks, and it's just a 16-inch by 16-inch square board that I made this little print matrix for. Each one of these is 1 inch from the one before it. So if I line it up right, I can only get a straight product. You can also see I have a little fold-out table here that I bought from Walmart, and it's pretty sturdy. It doesn't move around a whole lot, and it's what I use for my everyday engraving. Here are some different pieces of material that I use to practice on. First are these little small basswood pieces of material. They're good just to practice on, learn to cut, and do the engraving itself. These would also be good if you're going to cut out earrings. It would make some thin coasters if you had some cork to go on the bottom of it. But this is what I would recommend starting out with. This is really the easiest material that you're going to be able to use, and you will definitely use a lot of wood on your engravings. I also use little materials like these to make earrings. As you can see, it's a little teardrop shape. I've sold dozens of earrings on Etsy that are using this format. Another one of my favorite products to sell are coasters. As you can see, coasters are pretty easy to make, but they're a little bit bigger, so they take a little more time. But you got to make sure that your engraving's dark and very legible, because once you paint these coasters, you got to make sure that they can see the engraving on them. One of my least favorite things, but probably the most rewarding, are tumblers. Tumblers are pretty hard to make, but when you have a rotary tool, it makes it a whole lot simpler. I'll show you my RA2 here in a minute. That's a rotary attachment for the xTool D1 Pro. But tumblers are very fun, and they take a lot of practice to get a good final product. Another piece of material that's really fun to engrave on are glass cups, or any type of glass for that matter. These cups, you need to paint them black to start with, and then do the engraving. And the engraving will engrave that black paint, and for some reason it makes turn out very nice when it's all said and done. Here is the rotary attachment tool 2. Like I mentioned earlier, this item is great to use for laser engraving mugs, Christmas ornaments, rings, earrings, or any other circular or spherical thing that you can think of. So it's easy to set up. All you do is take the end of it here and replace the end of the laser engraver with this end, and just pop this in place, and you're ready to go. Then whenever you're on xTool Creative Space, make sure that you note on there that you're using the chuck roller rather than the flat surface. Once you have your mug or tumbler or whatever you want on here, you can raise or lower this here at the end, which helps flatten out your engraving. I made a video a couple months ago about how to set up the RA2, so go check that out if you're still curious. So those are just a couple different items that you need to have a successful laser engraver business for under $1,000. You need the laser engraver, you need the RA2, and you need some different materials to practice on. You'll never get it just to start with, because you'll have to practice. It's very tough, and it takes a little bit of time and effort to be able to hone in your skills. So here are a few different links of my laser engraver and what I purchased. There's always a variation in price. xTool has different discounts on different times of the year, and right now it's close to Black Friday and Christmas, so they have a great discount going on. So head over to xTool.com and see what all they have. I recommend the 10-watt laser, but the 20-watt laser is also really neat, and if you think you're going to be using a laser engraver a lot, it might be the way to go. As you see on my screen here, I had the xTool 10-watt D1 Pro laser. This is a great engraver, and I highly recommend it. As you can see, it's got 306 reviews, and many of them are 5 stars. So it has a price right now of $699, and that varies. But it comes with free practice material, free pair of goggles, 8 engraver risers, the RA2 Pro, the 4-in-1 rotary, which is a great addition, and also the air assist. When I bought my laser about 2 years ago, it did not come with the air assist. That is a great addition. There's 2 different colors that you can pick from, gray or red. Also remember, you'll need UV light goggles and closed-toed shoes whenever you're laser engraving. Also, it's good for some people to wear masks while they're engraving to make sure that they don't inhale any of the smoke, and be sure that they have proper ventilation inside their house. Well, that does it. I hope you got some benefit out of this video and figured out how you can start your own laser engraving business, side hustle, or hobby for less than $1,000. It's really not that hard to get started. It just takes a little bit of time, patience, and a little bit of money. So thanks for watching. If you would, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments and I'll try to answer them as quickly as possible. I hope you have a great rest of your day and enjoy your laser engraving ventures. Thanks, and have a great one.